Looking for something to do this weekend? Broward County Parks has you covered. Here are some activities to keep you entertained. Go on a geocaching adventure at Crystal Lake Sand Pine Scrub on Saturday. Join a park naturalist while exploring the habitat and finding GPS-marked treasures. Take a walk through Markham Park's Nature Trail and learn how our unique Everglades ecosystem came to be at the Everglades and Beyond on Saturday. Notice how things have changed over the past 100 years. Get wet and wild at the Splash Your Way to Water Safety event at Castaway Island at Topekigi Park on Saturday. There will be water play, preventative tips, and activities to help keep kids safe around water. Take a hike along the Fishing Pier Trail at Ann Kolb Nature Center at the Plankton-a-Plenty hike on Saturday. Collect microscopic plankton, then view these small wonders under the microscope and learn about their important role in nature. Ride a real train, just smaller, at Tradewinds Park and Stables on Saturday and Sunday. Our model steam train rides are pint-sized fun for the whole family. Enjoy your weekend! If you have fun, share a pic with us under the hashtag Broward Parks on all social media sites. See you next weekend!